Step into the heart of Nottingham's student life at Clarendon Street Student Accommodation, your ultimate sanctuary in the bustling city. Boasting a variety of studios, this residence provides everything you need for a comfortable stay. The plush beds offer exceptional comfort, accompanied by a convenient side table for your essential items. Additionally, a dedicated study desk equipped with free high-speed Wi-Fi ensures a conducive environment for completing assignments. But that's not all. This residence goes beyond the basics, providing a gym for quick workouts and a communal room for hanging out with friends. Situated strategically near Nottingham Trent International College and Nottingham Trent University, Clarendon Street is a hot favorite among students. For delicious dinner options, consider takeout from Ricebox or Big Chick Nottingham. Start your day on a delightful note with breakfast or coffee from Cafe Bonington and Cafe Nero, conveniently located just around the corner. On weekends, explore iconic tourist attractions like Walton Hall, Gardens and Deer Park, or the National Justice Museum. Hop on a bus from Talbot Street, stop by 6, or Clarendon Street, stop by 9. For convenient citywide travel, live the life of your dreams in Nottingham. Secure your spot at Clarendon Street through amberstudent.com and embark on an enriching student experience like never before.